Okay, I've bought a smart gateway for ZigBee and a smart knob. The smart knob can connect this ZigBee gateway can connect to multiple snap knob. So I've connected this to my room. Single click to switch on my lights. Double click to switch off my lights, and let me switch on the light first. You can see now it's orange color. I turn this clockwise, it became white color. If I turn this anti-clockwise, it became orange color, right? So clockwise, white color. Double click off, single click on. Then I've connect this to my father's room, which I can show you. The light now is on. Double tap off, single tap on. The fan, anti-clockwise off the fan, and the exhaust fan. Okay, the exhaust fan, which is connected by a smart switch. So if I do a clockwise, you will turn on the exhaust fan and this fan as well, and set the setting to maximum at 60 degrees rotation to the left and right. So if I go back to anti-clockwise, you'll switch off this and switch off that by using the smart switch and the knob. So a single knob, double tap, off. So instead of turning the light to orange color, I set it to controlling the fan instead. Ta-da! Switch on, switch off.